Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, you're very welcome, and if it's not your first time, thank you so much for coming back and for subscribing to watch more videos from moi. So this is the final look with the Ahmore luxury hair. So I don't know, I got inspired midway to go for Marilyn Monroe type of vibe and look. So on my lip I've got the Fenty Beauty Uncensored, I think. So yeah, I'm serving you 21st century Marilyn Monroe. So yeah, I'm giving you face, I'm giving you life, I'm giving you breath, I'm giving you everything that you need. It is 2019. So the Ahmore luxury hair comes in this cute little box. It has a card just showing you tips on how to take care of the hair and what not to do and all that. So the wig construction is absolutely brilliant. It comes with 4 combs, so 3, 1 in front, 1 at the back, and 2 on either side, rather on both sides. And it comes pre-plucked, as I'm showing you around there, and it also comes with this cute little tag. It tells you your hair spec. So I've got in 10 inches and there's a 613 blonde wig, bob wig. So first try, I'm using the Koleston hair dye in 8 and 9. I went to the beauty supply store looking for the Wella T11, but I couldn't find it. I thought this was the closest, so I bought it and I was like, you know what, I'll try it. So you mix 1 part with 2-part conditioner. Sorry, not 2-part conditioner, 2-part developer. So I was using that bottle just to measure it, the exact mils. It says that in the packaging, can't remember at the top of my head. But yeah, mixing 2 parts. So the 8 and 9 color, which was a bit of a goldy blonde color, I mixed both of them together, and now I'm just putting some got2b on my lace just to protect it and to prevent any bleach or whatever dye going into it, staining it. Just a precaution anyway. So I just put this all over my hair. I kind of realized that it wasn't going to stain my lace anyway because, well, you guys are going to see. And now I'm just combing it out just to make sure that it goes in everywhere. And then I just wrap it in foil and leave it for, I think I left it, I fell asleep and I left it for a long time. And just washing it out with my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, I just realized that nothing has changed. It's still the same blonde color, nothing was tinted or dyed or whatever. I'm just washing the got2b off, the lace. But yeah, so I had to go back again with the color 8 just to see if that'll make a difference. So same thing, 2-part conditioner. If anything, I think it made it nice, lighter. So this was another day I had to go in and get the a new hair dye. I actually had to dye the hair because I couldn't get stuff to tint in with, so I just bought a hair dye from, I got this from Tesco, and I'm just putting it all over my hair. I'm trying to just put it on the roots first, just so the roots come out a bit darker, and before I put it on the rest part of the hair, which is what I'm doing now. And then once I finish dyeing the hair, I wrap it in foil, and I left this hair for about an hour, I'll say. No, I left it for 30 minutes. Wish I left it for longer. And it looks like this. And before I apply the dye, I use the got2b on my lace as well, so it doesn't get through. And I'm just washing it out with my Shimmer Lights shampoo. And yeah, skip to the conditioning bit. So this is my Holy Grail conditioner. I use it for all my weaves, and you know what, just put it on and tie it in a bag and leave it overnight, and your hair comes out revived. That's what I've done for this hair. So when the hair was dry, I tried to cut off just some like split ends on the bottom, just because like at this point I realized that yeah, you've over processed the hair. And mind you, I dyed it again just because I thought it wasn't enough. So I've dyed this hair 4 times in total, but well, it was just a trial anyway. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to lay it, or how I lay my wigs using the bald cap method. So I wear the cap and just cutting holes in my ear to hold it in place, and I'm using my got2b just to hold it in place in front, and spraying that all round. And yeah, I was watching Being Mary Jane here and I was having a ball.
To replace that hole, you.
Oh my god, I am watching Being Mary Jane and I'm gonna stop it.
And now I just use my blow dryer in cool setting to dry the got2b on the cap. And now when it's dry, I cut it up and cut off the extra bits of stocking cap that I don't need. That's what I'm doing. Sorry guys, I'm multitasking. I'm literally watching Being Mary Jane at the same time filming this video. So I'm just cutting the excess off and now I'm just putting my foundation over it. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation and just putting it all over the cap, just so it's my skin color, and it just blends a little bit more seamlessly as well. Yo guys, look how oily my face is. Literally, you can fry plantain on my forehead. No cap. Well, cap involved, but you know what I mean. My face is just so oily. Like look, it's glistening. Basically, my face is actually glistening. That's how oily it is. Like, anyway, I did this kind of like, I tried to make like a tint, and I used the hair dye and some water, but do you know what, I think the dye I used has a bit of a red undertone, so I sprayed it on my wig and it kind of like gave my roots like a bit of a reddish undertone, but that will come out once I wash it once anyway. Just to explain, if you guys see like the roots are a bit red or whatever, the lace is looking a bit reddish, it's just the hair dye that I used. So now I'm going into my got2b spiking gel, the one with the yellow tube, and I'm just putting it on the cap and a bit on my forehead. Now I'm using my blow dryer again in a cool setting to dry the gel until it's clear. I put about 3 layers of the got2b gel on my forehead, and when it's a bit clear, and I just stick my wig on. Now I'm just putting my wig on the gel so it holds it, and you can see the gel gets a bit like tacky, so it actually like secures your wig. That chick ain't going nowhere. And I'm just going in with my got2b spray and just spraying it all over just to give it that extra hold. Now I'm just going over with my blow dryer again in cool setting and just making sure the whole perimeter is secured. And I'm just going with my alcohol wipe just to wipe off the excess gel. And now I'm putting my powder. Do you know what? I think my powder's got a bit of a red undertone as well, so that made it look a bit red. But like I said, I'll be coming off after one wash, both the dye and that. So now I'm just styling my hair and adding some baby hairs to the front. Well, I tried. Now I'm just using my mousse to sleek the baby hairs as best as I can. And yeah, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon.
spots on this hair. I love it. I love it. I might have like over processed it along the way because I dyed it twice, and then no, I dyed it like 4 times. I dyed it 4 times, so I might have over processed it. So I had a fair amount of shedding, but prior to, you know, putting any bleach or anything on the hair, there was no shedding. It was great. I was combing, running my hands through it. There was no shedding, but I got like a little bit of shedding, but because like I said, I dyed this hair 4 times. Who does that? But I love it. The final look, like, it still gives me what I want. It's still got volume. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, let's subscribe. Let's get me to, I don't know, 500, 1K. You guys are watching but you're not subscribing, and do you know what I mean? Like, if there's something you want to see from me that I'm not delivering, like, let me know, and do you know what I mean? I'll film videos. And thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to visit the website of Ahmore Luxury Hair if you're looking for cheap affordable wigs. You see me? All right, so I'm gonna leave the link for the website down below. No need for like running around and like looking for a hairdresser, looking for this, looking for that. Just get a wig, you do it yourself, watch my video, and slay. All right, love and light to you all, and hope you have a lovely day and week ahead. All right, bye.